Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on identity property in SQL. So what identity property will do in SQL at the time of the inserting the records in a table, and what will happen if there is no identity property in any particular column in a table. Identity columns can be used for generating the key values. The identity property on a column guarantees each new value is generated based on the current seed and increment. Each new value for a particular transaction is different from the concurrent transactions on a table. So the syntax of identity property is identity, seed, and increment. This the seed and increment you have to provide as per your requirement. So I will show the demo now by by creating a new table with identity and without identity. So this is my cricket database. I'm I'm creating the new table called cricket 11. Create table. Table name is team 11. Team 11 is my table name, and I am declaring the column names and related data types now. ID ID for ID is the int. First I am showing without identity property. So ID int player name. So first I will show with the identity property. Let me wait. With the identity property. For identity column, I am declaring identity. Seed value is 1 and increment is 1, and I am declaring as a primary key in the int column. Primary key as int column. Next one is player name. For player name it is varchar 20, and country name, country underscore name varchar 20. So now I am creating the table. The table is created successfully. I am inserting the records here. Insert into table name values. So at the time of the insertion, we know the definition of the identity. It will generate the numerical values automatically at the time of the insertion. So you need not specify int as 1 comma. You need not specify like this. So I am doing Kapil Dev is the player name. India is the country name. So if there is no identity, you have to specify like this. But if there is the identity, you cannot specify. You need not specify int value, integers specifically, because on int column itself the identity is created now. Now at the time of the running this insertion statement, one row is created. I, I haven't mentioned any int ID here. If you go and select the table, so int ID automatically generated because we gave the seed and increment as well. So it will automatically take the first value as 1, and if you insert the second record, it will take the second record int ID as 2. So I am inserting the second record here. So I am inserting second record here. So if you run this one and select this one, select statement. So integer for second row is integer 2 is automatically created at the time of the insertion. So this is how you need to get benefit by declaring the identity on any particular column. So primary key is not required for identity cannot require primary key. Even though there is no primary key, identity works as it regularly behaves. So primary key identity there is no relation, but most of the identity columns have primary key as per the table structure. So now I am dropping the table. Drop the table team 11. Now I am increasing the size of the increment. We already told so in identity seed and increment. The first value is seed and the second value I am increased as the 3. 3. I am creating the table one more time and I am inserting these two values, these two records, and additionally one more record. So I am taking this second person, third person name is. Yeah. So if you execute this 3 insert statements and select the team level, it will increase by 3. So first value as we declared as 1, it will take 1, and second increment by 3. That is 1 adding 3, it's 4, and third one is 7. So by this way the seed and increment will work. Now I am tracking the table once again, and I am removing the identity here, and creating the table. Table is created, and there is no data here. Now I am inserting the same insert statement as we did at the time of the adding the identity property. Now it throws error. If you go, it throws it because column name or number of supplied values does not match the table definition. The table definition is here in team level is ID, integer, varchar, and varchar. Two varchar column names are there along with one integer data type. So it shows the column names are number of supplied values. Number of supplied values in the insert statement does not match it because we supplied only integer varchar values for player name and country name. We haven't supplied the integer value. But earlier at the time of the identity value, we don't receive this message. This will directly accept it because we already declared seed and increment at the time of the creation of the table itself. So now I am supplying the values here 2 and 3, 2 comma, and now it's 3. So it will accept now. It will accept. If you go and check the table, 3 records with 1, 2, 3 will be separate. So identity, the use of identity is the we can specify the seed and the increment value on any particular column with identity property. You need not supply the property at the time of the insertion of the records. So the identity in SQL Server is similar as auto increment in MySQL. Identity in SQL Server is equal to similar to auto increment. Auto increment in MySQL. So this is a very important question, basic and important question at the time of the interview. So what is identity? And interviewer may ask what is the similar identity function that are available in MySQL. So it is nothing but auto increment. Hope this video helps to you. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.